This is another of the Sandra Kuhn tapes, which had an interesting piece of Michigan history. This is called the First Michigan Survey. There's a bunch of other stuff on here that we're not talking about because, quite frankly, I found it kind of boring.
Come all ye Yankee farmers who'd like to change your lot and spunking out to travel beyond your native spot and leave behind the village where pond mighty stay. Come follow me and settle in Michigan, yay.
First Michigan survey for Michigan was really cool. It was in 91. Looks to be like Lansing Public Media, or I'm not sure. They had some support by the city of Lansing and a couple other parties in there, and it was produced in 1991. This is about how they surveyed Michigan.
The recommendations of Jefferson and his colleagues that influenced the famous Land Ordinance of 1785, which called for, among other things, surveying the land before anyone could settle it.
Admittedly, this one's a little wonky, but if you like history and wonder why things look the way they do on our land, I learned some interesting things and why townships are called townships.
Town 5 North tells you to count up 5 horizontal towns or tiers going north from the baseline. The intersection of the specified town and range is the township location. Each section corner, a marker was driven into the ground. Then blazes cut into a nearby tree, which was scribed with the town, range, and section numbers, along with the initials of the deputy surveyor. The very few of these bearing or witness trees which remain are valued as museum pieces.
Property transactions, for example, also hail back to the survey.
If you look at your deed of your property, you'll see reference to the township and the section and the subsection that it's located in.
I have yet to find First Michigan Survey online, so I'm going to try and upload the whole thing maybe.
Cleared survey lines created a network of paths as well as boundaries. Where the survey went, people, transportation, and communication followed. The survey, in short, formed the foundation by which Michigan made the transition from wilderness to statehood.